Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use mousse to make your hair curly. Start with damp hair and work from roots to ends using a golf ball-sized amount. Scrunch hair upward gently and distribute mousse evenly with your fingers. Allow hair to air dry or diffuse on low heat for stronger hold. Finish by separating curls with your fingers for natural volume and avoid brushing to keep curls defined. Choose the right mousse and tools for your hair type and curl goals. Work in 3 sections starting at the nape and move upward. Use a wide-tooth comb or fingers to detangle before applying mousse. Apply mousse to roots, then mid-lengths for even coverage. Scrunch each section and twist small clumps for tighter curls. Let hair dry completely before touching and avoid heavy oils or frizz. Try different scrunching methods to find your ideal curl pattern. For loose waves, scrunch gently and use less mousse. For defined curls, twist and scrunch tighter sections. When diffusing, cup curls with the diffuser and use low heat to maintain shape. Avoid rough towel drying. Instead, use a microfiber towel or cotton tee to blot excess water. Finish with a light hold spray or serum focusing on ends only to prevent stiffness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.